I think MCD is great. It's a great platform for checking out new machines, user experiences. It's fantastic how they've grown over the years. We've been friends with MCD for 5 or 6 years now.
James, if I said to you MTD,
Love it, absolutely love it. Engaging, informative, educational, and it's a pleasure to have the Clarkson of the CNC world here with us today.
They're really useful actually. I don't always get time to go to the trade shows and to see what's available on the market. It's good to watch on the PC.
The first place to go, any machine we look at, even if it's a brand that we know, we'll go straight to MCD to see if anybody else has bought one.
Watch from Chips Happy Friday, so you keep us up to date with what's going on, new technologies that other companies are bringing out. Just very, very informative.
What I personally like about you guys, you're portraying a more exclusive view of engineering, and we need to do that to encourage more younger people to come into the trade. And more importantly, what I've noticed that you guys are talking about when you're talking to your customers is the diversity of UK manufacturing. We are the best bloody engineers in the world, and you guys have seen things from space, the Bloodhound, Formula One, aerospace, military land systems. We make everything in this country.